Hello and welcome back to the 10th episode of my Hoth Hangar mock. In this episode I will show you my modification of set 75301, the X-Wing of LEGO. But most important, I need your help to decide if this is good to be inserted in the diorama or not. Like many of my mock, you can find the studio or the PDF files on my Rebrickable profile. As always, there is the link in the description also. Anyway, let's begin with the model. From the original set I kept the main body, but I changed all the parts that were in dark red with the classic red. I completely redesigned the nose. Now it's a bit larger. And the wings as well. Now the engines are almost in light bluish gray. There is the T shape inside the engine. These little details in tan, and also the exhaust. I added this dark bluish gray brick here to be more similar to the original X-Wing. Because I hate also using stickers, I did the red details that are in the wings. I did it with tiles. Guns are also completely new. I think they now are more similar to the model. And final modification, the rear. Now possess this kind of hexagonal shape that is more similar to the real X-Wing. Okay, let's place it in the scenario. This is the place where the X-Wing is supposed to be. But for me it looks a little bit abundant in the scenario. So I ask you to help me decide if this were to be left here or not.